Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's PO Receipts Data Loader. This data loader was designed especially for QAD users who work with a large number of receipts in the QAD 5.13.1 menu. You'll find that this efficient and productive tool allows you to download data from QAD into Excel spreadsheets, where you can easily manage receipt details. Then, quickly and safely, upload your data into QAD. Let's take a look at how PO Receipts Data Loader can help you manage your receipts with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the data loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the data loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data back to QAD. To get started, we need to first select the correct database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. We can set up as many databases as needed in the data loader. The fields in the header highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by item number and supplier code. There are multiple ways we can download open PO lines. We can download all open PO lines by supplier. To do this, we enter the supplier range and select the Get POs By button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the PO Receipts data loader uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. This data loader validates that the user has access to menu 5.13.1. Let's log in. The results now displayed are all open PO lines for the range of suppliers we entered. We can filter further by item number. We can also download open PO lines for multiple purchase orders by typing in purchase order numbers in the PO number field, and then we select the Get POs button. Results displayed are only for those purchase orders entered. Another download option is to download open PO lines by specific purchase order. To do this, we enter the PO number in the PO number field and press Enter. Our cursor should be in the cell below the PO number. We then select the Get PO button. Results will display details for open lines of the selected purchase order, starting from the line where PO number was entered. Let's enter another. And again, we see open lines starting from where we entered the PO number. For this demonstration, we'll receive a few lots. Green highlighted fields are fully writable fields, so we can edit values in these columns. Let's go ahead and edit some fields. If there are multiple references or serial lot numbers for a particular order line, we can click on the Receipt Lines button, and it will open up a window where we can enter the number of references or receipt lines for this item. Click OK when done, and this creates a separate line in Excel for each of the receipt lines entered for that particular item. We can also enter effective and ship date, or leave blank for the current date, and we can add a comment for the receipt. Once we have reviewed our data, we simply click the Upload button to send our new data to QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if the upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. Just like all 32Soft data loaders, the PO Receipts data loader validates data in the cells against genuine QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we need to close the status window and correct the error before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Cells that contain errors are highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. We must correct all errors before resubmitting our data. Let's try to find the next error and fix it. Let's see if there's another error. There are no more errors, so let's try to upload again. This time the upload is successful, so we can close the status window. The receiver number is downloaded automatically after our successful upload. There will be one receiver generated per PO packing slip. We can review the newly created receivers using the Download tab. There are a number of input fields in the header that we can use to search for PO receipts. Receiver from to, enter the range of receiver numbers. Effective from to, enter the effective date range. PO number from to, enter the range of PO numbers. Item from to, enter the range of item numbers. Supplier from to, enter the range of supplier numbers. Let's enter a receiver number range. And we can select the Get Receivers button to verify that the receivers were uploaded successfully. And we can see all information was uploaded successfully to QAD. As demonstrated, this easy-to-use productivity tool enables you to easily manage a large number of PO receipts from convenient Excel spreadsheets and upload the data safely to QAD. 32Soft's PO Receipts data loader will increase productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.